The 2003 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.